Hey Crea'Madonas, welcome back to the channel. I'm Belitra and I am the crafty black girl. So you guys, today's gift basket is going to be an Easter basket for a teen. This basket is basically a snack basket. It's especially made for a hot chip lover and a sour candy lover. So as you can see, I started off putting the sodas in because after eating these you're gonna need something to drink. So I added these Takis in. Those were $2 from the corner store, and I got all of the sour candy from Dollar Tree. So of course I'm going to use my skewers, and I'm going to do everything that I do on one side I'm going to do on the other side. So you guys will see me flipping back and forth from the front of the basket to the back of the basket, but the front of the basket is the back of the basket and the back of the basket is the front of the basket, if you get what I'm saying. So this basket is meant to be all dimensional basket. Like, you can see gifts on every side, food on every side, and I don't know, that's just cool to me. So everything you see me do, I'm going to repeat on the other side. Some of the chips I'm using tape just to secure everything to everything, and then some of the things you'll see me using the skewers just to pop them in there and sit them up. Everything that I put in here are going to be at different levels and different heights, and everything will show all the way around the basket. So I'm adding these little boxes. I only bought 2 boxes, but you'll see me do the same thing on the other side. And like I said, all of the sour candy came from Dollar Tree, and all of the chips that you see in here came from just the local gas station. They're probably least expensive in the gas station. So as you'll see, these trolleys, I went ahead and added those, and just making sure everything is secured to everything. I don't want to see any holes or anything open, so I just went ahead and put everything together and taped everything together so that everything is secure. No holes, no spaces or anything like that. Just making the basket really full. And I know you guys are gonna ask, I did do this basket for $30. It should have been more, but I don't know, I just want to make the baskets look good. So she had already paid me. I ended up doing $40 because I delivered it. But this basket, to be honest with you guys, this should have gone for at least $50. So I do have to work on my pricing, and yeah, that's not a strong point yet. But I went ahead and added some eggs to this basket, filled it with candy because I still want it to have an Easter feel, but it's for a teen. So I didn't fill it with Easter eggs, but I did about 3 Easter eggs. And then I'm securing this basket and just closing it like I normally would. And this little container that I'm using came from Dollar Tree, and it's a popcorn little tub for popcorn, but I thought it would be perfect for this Easter basket. This was actually for a male. This is for a teen boy, and you know, he ain't gonna want no cute little Easter basket. So this is what we used, and this is what we got. A teen Easter basket. Got some Easter eggs, Easter candy. The main thing in this basket was the hot chips, and the sour candy was the main thing in this basket. So just to give you guys some ideas for teens, here you are. Hope you guys like it. Leave it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think, and how much should this basket go for? Let me know what you think. Until next time, stay crafty.